Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with 3PL like Red Stag Fulfillment, full guide step by step clearly. Start by researching third-party logistics providers that best fit your needs. Identify key factors such as location, pricing, and services offered. Visit the website of Red Stag Fulfillment to explore their offerings. Check if they cater to your specific industry and product types. Gather necessary documents like your business license, tax ID, and product information. Fill out the online registration form provided on their site. Provide accurate details about your business and products. Submit any required documentation as requested by Red Stag Fulfillment. Wait for a confirmation email or call from their support team. Prepare for an onboarding call with a representative from Red Stag. Discuss your logistics needs and ask any questions you have. Review their warehouse processes, shipping rates, and handling times during the call. If you agree to their terms, ask for a service agreement to be sent to you. Carefully read through the agreement and clarify any terms you don't understand. Sign the contract and return it as instructed. Once registered, start preparing your products for fulfillment. Plan how you will send your inventory to their warehouse. Coordinate with their team for shipping guidelines and requirements. Label your products according to their specifications. Send your inventory to Red Stag Fulfillment. After they receive your products, confirm your inventory levels through their system. Begin integrating your online sales platforms with their fulfillment services. Test the order processing system to ensure everything works smoothly. Launch your products and monitor the fulfillment process closely. Stay in contact with Red Stag Fulfillment for any adjustments or concerns. Regularly review your logistics strategy to optimize performance over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.